episode of On the Road with Wayne and Jeff. Today we're at Sydney's Luna Park. We're going to take a look around and show you the sights and the sounds. Should be fun. But right now we're moving down through Luna Park. This looks interesting. What's coming up here?
What a trip for a second boat. Let's go on with our show.
The harbour bridge.
S. John Ross, also known as the Silhouette Man, was an American-born Australian artist and showman, famous for his miniature silhouette portraits cut in black cardboard and mounted on a white background. Anyone who visited Luna Park from the 40s right through to the 80s would have seen his stand there. He'd become very famous and appeared on many TV programs, other media appearances. The Sydney Royal Easter Show, S. John Ross, legend at Luna Park. Hey Luke, can you climb in the window? Here goes Luke, and he's almost at the top. Mount Everest next. Mount Everest next, Luke. Mount Everest next. Yeah, just climb in their window. You gonna jump? After that tragic fire of '79, the ghost train burning, the Luna Park was closed down. Gates were shut. Everything was auctioned off. Literally everything. It was very sad. Friends of Luna Park were an organisation that were dead set into getting Luna Park back on its feet again. It was headed up by Martin Sharp, Australia's famous artist, and they were determined that Luna Park would live again. And in fact it did. He redid the face, repainted most of Luna Park as you see it, and Coney Island. So make sure that when you're in Sydney, have a walk through Luna Park. Go in and have a look at Coney Island. It's definitely it's a treasure here in Sydney. Well worth looking at. The location of Luna Park was formerly occupied by a series of workshops, cranes and railway sidings used to provide for the construction of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. When the Sydney Bridge was completed in 1932, North Sydney Council opened applications for tenders to develop the site. At the same time, Herman Phillips, David Atkins and Ted Hopkins, the minds behind Luna Park in Glenelg in South Australia, began to search for a location to establish a new Luna Park due to difficulties with Glenelg Council and local residents. Despite initial resistance from North Sydney Council towards the idea of an amusement park, Herman Phillips won the tender for the use of the former construction site in 1935. Immediately after this, Luna Park Glenelg was placed into voluntary liquidation. The rides from Glenelg were purchased by Phillips and his fellow directors, dismantled, transported to Sydney and reassembled at Milson's Point. It took about 3 months for them to re-establish those rides, set them up again at Luna Park in Sydney.
Yeah, it's not easy to find. It's a little bit more than halfway down the Luna Park strip. If you come over here, you'll see a plaque. This building stands on the site of the original ghost train. The fire on Saturday the 9th of June 1979. 7 lives were lost. And yep, this is the actual spot. Right near where the Big Dipper was, actually right next door. From memory.
Let's head down to Coney Island, this way.
So Luna Park was transported here from Glenelg in South Australia by Ted Hopkins. And I think he's been remembered quite well. He didn't see Luna Park reopened again after the fire of '79. He died not long after that, so he never got to see Luna Park come back in its full glory again. I think that really killed him. He was so passionate about Luna Park, and here's the original Coney Island from 1935. What's it like here in Coney Island?
It's good, bro.
Yeah? How was that?
It was awesome, but scary. I died.
Luna Park, your lazy sunny day. Luna Park, your crazy funny ways.
Roller coaster, harbour bridge, feed the laughing clowns. Coney Island, plenty arcade as we go merry-go-round.
Just for fun,
Luna Park.
just for fun.